The session today was so good. Cooper covered so many different areas about maintaining a good mental health, and I found it really effective. It was awesome.
It was awesome. Cooper ran a really good presentation, covered all different ways of how to deal with mental health, and definitely took a lot out of it, and definitely helped me in the future and in the present right now.
It was really good. I learned a lot of stuff out of it, and it's going to help me a lot in life. It was really great.
I definitely learned of new ways to handle my mental health. Definitely experienced a few things over the past years, and it's definitely worth reaching out to people, especially the Good Human Factor.
I learned a lot of stuff about responsibility and stuff. It's going to help me a lot in my surfing and in general in life.
We didn't exercise during the session, and before the session I was feeling super tired and kind of low, and then I felt like just those few simple things really lifted my mood and helped my mental health, so it was really cool, yeah.